electromagnetic radiation. Electromagnetic radiation after Rutherford theory when failed, then Niels Bohr was successfully giving a concept of the electron, that is electron play a dual character. That dual character of the electromagnetic radiation, and one is quantization of energy. These two theory explained by the Niels Bohr. Now see, dual character, as we studied, that is electromagnetic radiation have a dual character in both particle as well as wave nature. And in case of quantization of energy, in case of quantization, that is atomic spectra, we will study atomic spectra, that is emission spectra and absorption spectra are explained in that. That is the quantized energy. Any electron while gaining electron, it jump to the higher state and again come back to its ground state. That is absorption and emission spectrum. Now wave nature of electromagnetic radiation, that is explained by the James Maxwell. James Maxwell explained the theory of electromagnetic radiation, means here electric as well as magnetic field apply to produce radiation. Now see, what do you mean by radiation? The term radiation explain. The term radiation means these are the defined as emission or transmission of energy through space in the form of wave, right? Emission or transmission means electron when absorb energy then emitted out, that is said to be emission or transmission through energy, transmission of energy through space in the form of wave. That is then electromagnetic radiation, those radiation which are associated with electric as well as magnetic field, that is said to be electromagnetic radiation. Now this electromagnetic radiation are both wave are perpendicular to each other. Here no, electromagnetic radiation means here we have both magnetic field as well as electric field. Magnetic field and electric field components which oscillates in the phase of perpendicular to each other, means both wave are perpendicular to each other. That is the electrical as well as magnetic field, both wave are perpendicular to each other, right? See, both are perpendicular to each other. Now electromagnetic wave do not require any medium, because wave do not require any medium to propagate, it move in a vacuum also, right? Then next, there are many types of electromagnetic radiation differ from one another form in their frequency and wavelength. These all type of electromagnetic radiation are constitute what is known as electromagnetic spectrum. Now electromagnetic spectrum, here electromagnetic spectrum are explained here. These are the series given here: UV light, and then visible region. This is the visible region. Visible region is from 400 to 750 nanometer is a wavelength. The portion of this spectrum which can be seen and seen by the human eyes exist in a wide range wavelength. The wide range wavelength is the region of spectrum visible region, that is 400 nanometer to 750 nanometer, and the color is red color, it observe increasing order of their wavelength. Next, in vacuum, all type of electromagnetic radiation travel with the speed of light, that is the speed of light is 3 into 10 की power 8 meter per second. In wave theory, according to J.C. Maxwell, he suggests that the radiant energy travel in a space with velocity 3 into 10 की power minus 3 into 10 की power 8 meter per second, the form of wave. Now the characteristic of wave here, first term defined, that is wavelength, and wavelength is defined as the distance between nearest crust and trough, that is said to be wavelength, and wavelength is measured in nanometer, angstrom, picometer, meter, centimeter, etc. Now here frequency is the number of time, not the number of times of wave passes a given point in 1 second is known as frequency. It is expressed in terms of hertz. Velocity, the distance traveled by the wave in 1 second, is said to be velocity, and velocity, that is c, is equal to nu lambda. Now wave number is a reciprocal of wavelength, that is reciprocal of wavelength. Wave number is equal to 1 upon wavelength, and then after that